In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve question number 2. Find the supremum and infimum of each S. So part 1, that is S is equal to X such that X less than 10. Since the given form is S is equal to X such that X less than 10. So according to condition S is equal to, it means less than condition, less than minus infinite to 1. It means so X less than 1, that is infinite numbers. So supremum means least upper bound of S, that is least upper bound of S is equal to 10 to infinity. So upper bound is in the form of 10 less than, so 10 less 9, 9 to infinity, hence supremum is equal to 9. Infimum means greatest lower bound. So greatest lower bound, that is since lower bound is equal to minus infinity to 9, so lower bound that is 9. Hence infimum is equal to 9. Part number 2, that is S is equal to X such that X greater than minus 5. Solution according to condition S is equal to minus 5 to undefined. Since the upper bound is minus 4 to undefined, so upper bound that is minus 4, hence supremum is equal to minus 4. We know that since the lower bound is minus infinity to minus 4, hence the infimum is equal to minus 4, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.